Evening, folks. It's almost 2023, a couple days. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. A lot of you know me, some of you don't. Here we go. The new product I'm talking about is like a central vacuum for your Class A's, B's, C's. Some of you put them in there. Some of you already had them, like a Dirt Devil. They're underneath, and all them hoses, eventually, they get clogged. You know that. Your house vacuum, right here, your house vacuum, your hose gets stuff in it, and then you got to wobble it out, blow it out, put something down in there, blow it backwards. It's just fun, all right? That's why I never had one in my Class A, because I knew the problem. I work on them. So I'm going to show you this little new product here. I'm going to be a sponsor of it because I really believe in it. I'm going to put it in my RV. So I'll do a video of that, show you how to do it. Here we go. Let's turn it around. So it's a Sweepovac Big Kick. I'll give you the gentleman's number. All right, so you can call them, tell them, hey, I'm a member of RV Diagnostics. I don't know what's in it for you. Maybe there's a discount. I don't know. So easy, empty, reusable bag. Connect vacuum hose. Stretches 10 to 33 feet, so not bad. If you put it in the center, it'll go, between a 40-foot RV, 45-foot. Then it's got a tap switch. All right, but what's neat about it is, here we go. It's 1,200 watts. 2-year warranty, full product replacement, support 7 days a week, 365, 3 usable bags, a HEPA filter, right? Flexible hose, telescoping tube and foot piece, dog grooming tool for those that have fur babies, upholstery tool, crevice tool, cut out template, and manual. Convenient hanging bag to hold the hose and all the tools. All right. Plugs into a regular electrical outlet. Okay, here we go. Put you on pause. Well, you know what? Heck, here we're going to open it up. That's what this is. This is an opening. Eventually, I'm going to install it in my RV. Hold on here. We got it. That being a little bit of a bear. Here we go. Da da da. Da 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 da. The Sweepovac. Oh, it's got a little vacuum cleaner, elephant green, right? There's a little tote bag. Oh, man, look at this now. Here's your place. You can clean these bags, right? This here slides off. Watch, right here. Put you on pause. So you take this piece of plastic off, and the bag opens. There's the part that goes in. So you can wash the bag, clean it up real good. And this slides on here, right? There you go. He gives you 3 of them. All right, all right, there you go. Now there's your fur baby, right? A little brush. Hold on, put you on pause to get all this stuff out. Okay, so we're back. Watch it. This is neat. This is a telescoping wand. You push it right here, and then I'm gonna push it with my leg in. See? So it makes it compact, so you can put it in a drawer in an RV, or just store it somewhere, or, you need a shorter thing. Get up underneath stuff. So that's a nice chrome. There's the 30-foot hose there. Here's the actual device. There's the head, right, for the, there's carpet, right, and then there's floor. For some reason I ain't staying on carpet, but anyway, that's that. There you go, another attachment. And here's the upholstery brush. And then I did show you the doggy brush, right? That's pretty neat, right? Got the little rivers on it. And then of course, there's the little self nozzle. And here's an adapter, okay? It's an adapter. And remember I told you about the 3 bags. They're not throwaway, but you can get all the dirt out of them, then wash them, and you have clean bags. There's 3 of them. All right, let me get this out because it's the meat of it. All right, so the meat of this thing is this. It's a unit. It's actually got a vacuum motor back there, right? Everything slides out. Okay, this is the on and off switch right there. Right, and then you kind of pull this out of there, right? There you go. That's, oh, look, it's got a bag in it already. So there's one bag, two bag. Oh, like I said, 3 bags. There you go. And there's the site, www.sweepovac.com. All right. Pretty neat right there. And this gets, here is the actual measurements. 13.5 by 4 3/4. So you could put this, like, I don't know, under your couch, under your cabinets. You know, it's almost the size of an RV drawer, for God's sake. So that fits. You don't have to run all these hoses, right? You go put it in there like that. There you go. And it goes down on the floor. Right? Woo! Man, that thing get going, boy. I'm going to tell you. All right, that's the switch. I don't know. We're going to see. Folks, basically, that was just an opening of the box. I will be installing this thing. All right. I'll probably put it together in the office and see how it vacuums first. There you go. There's my big fan. One day I'll put that somewhere else. There's my little wood stove I'm going to install in here. Remember, I got a big wood stove out there, wood furnace. That's coming along, folks. I was on top of the roof today. A little tired. 63 years on top of the roof. Kick my butt. I got her done, though, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so now I get to see if it leaks before the chimney pipe or the stove pipe isn't here yet. That'll be on the 2nd. So little by little, right? All right, thank you, folks. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. RV Diagnostics has been sponsored by Big Kick Sweep OVAC. Let me do my whole test on it, see how it's doing. And then we'll do an install. That'll be a couple videos. And then I'll send you a link. Excuse me. You know, I yawned. There you go. I apologize. I'm tired. It's like 5 o'clock here. I got my butt whoop on that roof up there. I was up there since 10. All right. So once again, thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics.